Hello, I'm Diva Shah and I work in the private client team at Kingsley Napley. Welcome to our video guide for executors. An executor has responsibility for completing the administration of the estate of a deceased person. An administrator is an equivalent role but applies when someone dies without a will. You may also have heard the term personal representative, which is the collective term for both executors and administrators. If you have been named as an executor, you don't have to carry out the role. You can choose to renounce, which means that you are completely removed from the process and have no responsibility or liability. Alternatively, you can have power reserved. You may not want to feel completely excluded from the process, so you can have power reserved, which means that you can decide to act at a later date. Acting as an executor is a serious responsibility. The process can be time-consuming and complex. As an executor, you have a statutory duty of care, so you need to exercise your powers with skill and care, acting in the best interests of the beneficiary. The responsibility lasts for the duration of the administration of the estate. If you've already started to administer the estate, normally you would not be able to step down. As an executor, you are responsible for the entirety of the administration. Your responsibilities will include reporting the inheritance tax to HMRC and dealing with the payment of tax. You will also need to make sure other taxes, such as income tax and capital gains tax, are reported and paid. You have to ensure all the estate's assets, which may include cash, property, jewellery, are identified, located and collected. You have to identify debts, check the amount, verify these and ensure payment. You have to deal with claims made against the estate. You will need to apply for the grant of probate, which gives you the legal authority to distribute the estate. And lastly, you will have to locate all beneficiaries to ensure the estate is distributed in accordance with the will. If you make a mistake as an executor, you could be held personally liable. Mistakes might involve, for example, failing to pay the debt before making a distribution to the beneficiaries. Not understanding the process is not a defence. The law still regards these mistakes as a breach of duty. There's no legal requirement to use a solicitor. However, as solicitors who manage estates every day, we know what is involved and what to expect. That was a very brief overview of your roles and responsibilities as an executor. Given the role requires so much effort and responsibility, it can seem overwhelming at times. We have further resources and helpful guides on our website, but please do feel free to contact me or any other member of our team if you have any questions or would like some assistance. Thank you for listening.